Carol Geronsins, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services. So have you ever driven by a home that you absolutely loved time and time again and wanted to see what it was inside? Well, welcome to 24310 Via Lomas de Yorba East in Yorba, Linda, right across from a spectacular park, gorgeous, customized, over 3,600 square feet on 34,000 square foot lot. I'm excited to show you, so come on in. As you enter through the custom iron doors, you go to this amazing living room with floor-to-ceiling windows, floor-to-ceiling fireplace, voluminous ceilings, and look at the architectural design. And look at this wonderful media room with all these windows, soaring ceilings, plantation fans. What a great place to just sit, enjoy watching a movie, or just plain relaxing. Can you just picture dining in this absolutely incredible dining room? Look at this, surrounded by windows, French doors. I don't think you're going to find a dining room anywhere like this one right here. So this is really a main floor bedroom that's utilized as an office, because over here we actually have a Murphy bed. And to define a Murphy bed, it's these beautiful cabinets that you just pull down and you've got a wonderful bed to sleep in. Spacious kitchen with center island, large breakfast nook that opens up to this beautiful family room with cozy fireplace, media center, French doors, shutters throughout. What a wonderful atmosphere here. So on the upper level, we have our two secondary bedrooms, secondary custom bathroom, and the main suite. Who wouldn't love to stay in a suite in the Four Seasons? Well, guess what? That is what you will be living in 24/7 in this main suite. Look at this unbelievable retreat. I don't think you're going to find too many homes that have this. So imagine going to bed every night, waking up every morning to this. All these windows overlooking these astonishing grounds. French doors to a balcony. What a wonderful ambiance this room has. What an amazing bath arena you have. You've got your dual walk-in closet, two vanities, and what about just soaking in that tub, looking at the gorgeous grounds? I think you'll agree, very few homes, if any, have grounds like this. So if you don't get a chance to travel, it won't matter, because you are in your own private resort right here. Complete privacy, absolutely stunning, stunning grounds, incredible pool and waterfall, barbecue, bar, lounging areas, fireplace. This home has everything. It is one of the most wonderful homes that I have ever represented, and I am looking forward to showing it to you.